Welcome to our Vision Board community. So today I'm introducing a person. Maybe you know this person very well. His name is Mahir, and he's the king of Azure. I think maybe most of the people know he's the owner or he's the we content creator in the Wafa study. So he already told me like that Wafa means trust or believe. So how beautifully he organized his channel like that. So for Azure Data Engineering path, I think me also, for my case also, he is my mentor. When I started my Azure Data Engineering career in 2019, I go through his footprint, like he's whatever he's sharing in the YouTube videos. I'm also taking that one, and I'm also following the same thing. So that is the reason I'm getting a job, and I'm because career improvement I can, because when I'm doubted in some portion, I'm going to the buffer studies and learning it all in my early career, because really it is, because anyone from the basic you can start from this Wafa study. So I'm introducing the king of Azure, Mahir. Mahir, are you there?
Yeah. Thank you so much for that kind words, actually. It means a lot, and definitely I liked them very well. Okay, when everyone like praises, right? I liked it.
Yes.
I'm just kidding, don't worry. But yeah, I'm not king or something. Yeah, definitely same similar to you guys, but it's all your, like, you guys are showing so much of love that makes me feel as a king, actually. So I'm blessed to get this
Definitely.
opportunity, actually, and
Uh,
blessed to get an opportunity to interact with you as a one of episode to do a podcast with you, right? So
mm.
it's my debut debut podcast. No one asked me, actually. I don't know why. That's
I
fine.
think this is the
Mhm.
first part, because you are not available LinkedIn, because I'm also searching. Mahir,
Mhm.
where is Mahir? Mahir is not there. Mahir is every day putting the video, then he go. Every day he's coming and putting the videos in Vapas, helping others like a free resources to everyone, right? But there is no nothing. He's not active in LinkedIn. Maybe you can see in the LinkedIn profile of that is the followers who done in the, I think 60K, right? 60K followers in the YouTube, subscribers in the YouTube.
Yeah,
I
yeah,
think
yeah.
the Azure community, it is very high. And there is no such YouTube channel is like that. Cannot compete with you, Mahir. I'm honestly speaking to you, because
Mhm.
60K subscribers in a technical video, it's really awesome. I'm thinking like that. To
Mhm.
openly telling that it is really awesome.
Yeah, thanks for that. Actually, it's all because of community only, right? They somewhere connected with style of what I deliver the videos, and they are like a true believers, like they are like a becoming like a followers of me. So they used to comment, we cannot watch other videos, we can only watch your videos, please continue this series, please.
Yes,
So that somewhere feels like if a person is feeling so much connected, then only that words will come out, right? I cannot watch other videos now. I want your videos only. I can understand only your videos. So please do this video, right? Sometimes I feel bad. I'm not able to spend time to create all the videos. But if you see from the other angle, like somewhere I blessed that my content was getting liked by so many people, and they
definitely.
are
Lot
becoming
of
like
people
a
are.
addicted to it. Like we want these videos. So I'm using a big word here, actually, but yeah. So thank you so much for all the people who like that content. I continue to create it
Definitely,
whenever I
you
get
need
some
to be
time.
definitely you need to
Mm,
be continue to this creating to our data community and Azure
mm,
community, because when you're creating every video that will inspire every people. Like for I know personally, I know how much effort people you community actually you also need to know how much effort he is picking. For example, when you can see like 1 minute or 2 minutes of video, but he's putting maybe 2 hours or 3 hours research before creating a simpler video. So rather than
mm.
watching your video, maybe we just go through the Microsoft documentation. Sometimes it is feeling like bit difficult. Mahir, you can also understand like that. But when you're
Yeah,
watching your video, it is very clear and easy. It's a beginner who's starting his career also can understand. So how you
right. Yeah.
can learn this? How you can deliver? Is it your inbuilt skill, or how you manage? Is it like a passion or?
Mhm. Actually, there was a need for the similar videos for me. Okay.
Yeah.
When I'm exploring Azure, even I felt difficult to explore the Azure because 2 years or 3 years before, when I'm searching for content in the YouTube to go through them, I was not able to find much. There is a content, a little bit of content, but it is not that easy, at least for me.
Mm.
Okay, I'm not able to grasp the things because I was a beginner to the YouTube from .NET, sorry, to the Azure. From .NET to converting to Azure Data Engineering because of the role change in my career path. So when I was a .NET guy, I used to go through Kudvenkat videos. It was very easy,
Okay.
well mannered, and in the playlist it will be like a sequence order. So it's like a book, one
Kudvenkat
video.
in .NET, right? In .NET videos
Yeah,
or
in
which
.NET
video
videos.
he
Yeah,
.NET
he
videos.
.NET,
Okay.
even SQL playlist also he has. Uh,
Okay.
so if someone wants to explore the SQL like from a beginning, then go through Kudvenkat playlist. That will be very
Is it
helpful.
Hindi or is it English?
English only.
English only. Okay.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, English videos only. Kudu Venkat, I think. I don't know. I never seen him. But
Mm.
when I was a beginner, when I started my career, all the .NET, right? I went through from his videos only, and I became so confident in few months. And so I was zero when I started my .NET journey as well. My leads
Okay.
are afraid. How can this guy can do development? He don't know anything. So they
Uh-huh.
used to afraid, and I used to feel very bad. I used to get nightmares as well. Like tomorrow I have to go and I have to develop some web page. I don't know how to do. I cannot
Mm.
sleep. I was waiting for when Saturday, Sunday will come so that at least for 2 days I don't need to take tension. Okay.
Mm.
So,
Mm.
but
Mm.
Kudu Venkat videos, when I go through them, I was able to understand easily, step by step, whatever you write, whatever he's writing on the screen, everything he will explain why he is writing that, why he is putting A as a variable, B, everything he will explain in detail in a simple language. So
Mm.
same kind of videos were not there in Azure when I was exploring Azure as well. Then I thought, why can't
Okay.
I do it when I felt a difficulty to explore the Azure? Why can't I do it? That is one thing. Another part of the story is some personal need as well. I thought of entering into teaching field. In Hyderabad, there is an area called Amirpet where we can go and take the classes as well,
Okay.
right? So I thought of
Uh-huh.
going there and getting a faculty and getting 10,000 or 15,000 per month because of my financial constraints at that time. I went through a difficult time in my life
Mm.
in past
Mm.
before in during COVID period basically. So I had
Mm.
to come. I'm an elder in my family, so I have to take care of many things. And all of the sudden, some big issue happened. My early subscribers know, like my dad
Mm.
passed away, and that thing. So behind the story, there is a big financial burden came onto me, which I have to clear with nothing in hand.
Ah.
So I
Okay.
thought, okay, let's do this similar kind of videos of Azure,
Mm.
upload few videos, then go to Amirpet, show them as a demo, and get some faculty seat. So this is the motivation behind startingly. So
Behind this
basically,
creating this one, right? But you are doing
yeah,
a wonderful, wonderful
mm,
job actually. I can
yeah,
because when you create
yeah,
because when we didn't create that time this kind of video, we
mm,
are not here as an Azure data engineer. We didn't get these kind of
yeah,
videos from your side. Okay,
yeah. So I
so
blessed that God chosen me to do this task. Okay,
definitely,
and
you already
mm,
mentioned right
mm,
financial burden. That is the reason. But
mm,
if you didn't have the financial burden, you are not
mm,
giving. You are not sitting this seat right when I'm not taking
mm,
your interview,
mm,
and because
yeah,
no one is following like right. But
yes,
only
yes.
that reason, that some kind of God
Mm,
already blessed you. So that is the
mm,
reason you think like, okay, something I
yeah,
need to recover from the stage, and you
yeah,
created
yeah,
video. You are giving life to so many people as an Azure
yeah.
data
That's a big
engineering
one.
community.
Yeah,
You are, yeah, that maybe you can
yeah.
know, right? Personally, you will get a lot of
Mm-hmm.
messages. I can also see your message inbox.
Yeah, yeah. Definitely. See, that's what I feel. Now, if you ask me today, like, why, if someone is feeling why this is happening to me, why me? Why things are not moving with me? That why has an answer for it. Just wait for it. You will get an
Mm.
answer soon in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, maybe 10 years. But definitely you get an answer, and you feel once you get an answer from nature, from God, right?
Mm. Mm.
You that time you know, okay, so God wants me to do this, or God wants me to give this item to me. So that is the reason that happened that day. So I was
Mm.
afraid for that thing. I'm losing that at that time, right? But now you got so
Yes.
you are afraid you lost your shirt. Now you suit is waiting for you that you don't know. You
Mm.
just wait and
Mhm.
watch, things will move. So I have seen that personally, practically. So I also felt like why this happened to me, why this COVID hit my family, why this financial burdens hit me, why I am elder in the family.
Mm.
I should have been younger so that my elder brother would have
Yeah.
taken care of it, right? So all that, now I feel I blessed. I'm elder, right? Why?
Mm.
Because I got an opportunity to prove something, and luckily I proved as well. So now I take a pride, like, hey, see, man, and at least internally I feel I did something good. So definitely that
Yeah.
satisfaction stays with me, right?
Mm.
I don't know how I came out, but I came out. So today, if I feel right, it's what a journey, right? So once you achieved that, right? Okay, I cleared all the financial burdens, I settled family, and I switched my career to, and was able to deliver videos, good content, at least decent content to the
Mm.
people, and people enjoying it. So all these things came because of the problems, what it came in the life. If the problems would have
Yeah,
not come,
definitely.
as you said, maybe today I was
Mm.
not meeting the Devi, and she was not praising me. So I'm enjoying this.
Yeah,
Thank you. Yeah.
definitely, Mahir, because that is the only burden in the financial burden or any other things like the COVID hit you. Maybe the
Mm,
early. I know the
mm,
videos is because Mahir's father is passed away in the COVID, and these kind of things happen, right? But really, some people depressed at that time. But what you did, like you tried to, like a phoenix bird, right?
mm,
Phoenix
mm,
bird, and tried to overcome. How to try to overcome this situation, create the video for sell is like a 500 or 15K or
mm,
something.
mm,
But
mm,
that kind of thought right now is like people are following you, the people are fan of you, and the entire community is praise you. When you see like
mm,
the LinkedIn also, then the
mm,
people are tagging you, Mahir. So inside
mm.
for
Yeah,
better
yeah,
reach, Mahir Bashir, Devi Krishna.
mm,
So these kind
mm,
of tags we can see here, right?
yeah,
So
yeah,
only you did something for them. That is the reason they are
mm,
tagging you also. Because
yeah,
I'm
yeah,
really happy, Mahir, because people know these kind of success stories. Because every success
mm,
there is a
mm,
huge problem, huge
mm,
dedication, hard
mm,
work,
mm, mm.
everything there. So
Yes, yes,
definitely these kind of stories in the coming
yeah, yeah,
videos or series, definitely we need to know. And
sure,
I will
sure, yeah,
share the community also. Mahir is
yeah,
starting his means waking up at 4 a.m. or 4:30, going to parents' coffee show, then go
yeah,
work there, then go into
mm,
the Microsoft. Not a single company, it's a man company, Microsoft, 10 hours working, then
mm,
come back to close the coffee shop, then creating the video for us. Like Mahir, am I true?
mm. Yeah, 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 yeah. I was, as I said, right. I after COVID hit and after that incident of my dad passed away and everything, right. The burden, financial burdens and emotional burdens, everything comes definitely, right. There will be so many reels and memes where people say elder son going in a small Tutawa bike kind of thing, and
Uh,
younger some comedy videos you can see, right, reels you can see
yeah.
same way. Yes, of course, many times or in usual cases, definitely if you are elder, responsibility will come, and it is good that we should not take it as a something. Oh, why I am doing? We have to do it, and it's a good thing to do it. You definitely actually you should feel proud or you should feel blessed that God chosen me to be the person who has to take a responsibility. That's a great opportunity,
Definitely.
actually. You should
Mm.
see it as an opportunity, not as a burden, basically. I see it as an opportunity. I enjoyed it, actually. If again God gives tells me like what life you want, then I will choose again the same life. Give me the same hurdles. Let me crack them and let me create a videos and help the people whatever the way I can. And when I see that comments and everything from a people saying, right, it's a great content, we liked it, we changed career, we got this package. Now, so I feel very satisfying from inside actually when I am seeing that comments actually. The
Mm.
pleasure what you get when you are seeing that kind words, right? It's ultimate actually. Not
Yes.
no drink can bring that pleasure, I feel. Okay. I don't have any
Mm.
drinking habit. I'm just telling. I feel all that pleasure is different. That
Mm.
will very satisfying pleasure. So that is the driver for me. So I always think, okay, let me do another video. Let's again look for some comments, then take that pleasure, and then do another video and wait for the comments again. So that's
Yeah.
what. So that is keep on driving. So I feel good when I see that content is helping people. So that I feel that God has chosen me to touch their lives, because whether we agree or not, money is the key, okay, for
Mm,
everyone's. As we also discussed, right, 95% of the problems will not come if you have money. It is true.
mm,
Everyone can validate their own life, okay. You may be thinking why your dad is shouting, maybe because he don't have money. Why my
mm,
son is crying because I'm not able to find a good home to him, or find a good tie
mm,
to him, because you don't have
mm.
money. Okay, so money is
Yeah.
definitely needed for everyone. And when you change your career, when you get a good package, that means you are inflowing a good amount of money into your home. When that money
Mm.
comes into your home, automatically so many problems will go away. A positivity will
Uh,
get created, right? So
Definitely.
I request everyone, whatever you guys are doing, do it with passion, do it so that, right?
Mm.
I mean, wish for all the materialistic things, whatever you want. If you want to car,
Yes.
wish for it. If you want to home,
Wish for
wish for
it.
it. Don't
Yes.
sit and okay, I can, no problem, man. I'm happy from inside. All this is right. This
Mm.
is after you become rich, you say all this, okay? Not
That
before
is
that.
not a good trend. Actually, if you have
Yeah.
to buy something, definitely we need to work hard, achieve it. Then next thing, go
Yes, yes.
achieve it. So that will be the Mahal, and one more thing I can
Mm,
see in the earlier videos, there is a small house.
mm,
You didn't
mm.
appear much videos, I know. But in the
Okay.
I think in the initial videos I can see
Mm,
there is
mm,
a
mm, mm.
small
That is
small
my
but
hometown,
now
hometown home. Yeah.
hometown, right?
Mm,
Okay. So
mm,
then
yeah,
I
yeah.
think like there's a small space you inspired a lot of because after that we
Mm,
didn't see you. Your faces
mm,
are not
mm,
there.
mm,
Only that
mm,
blue screen and your
mm,
sound is only there. So
yeah,
but
yeah,
after that I can see you buy a new home and everything changing.
yeah.
Everything happen in your home like a happily
Mm.
manner, right?
Yeah, yeah,
It's
yeah.
really
It's all because
inspiring.
of subscribers, I will say. Okay, it's all because
Uh,
of them.
uh,
They're liking the content, so YouTube is also liking me, right? So
mm,
I will definitely get a little bit of revenue, as everyone knows, from YouTube.
mm,
So
mm.
if I am getting 1 rupee from YouTube, that is indirectly given by subscribers only, right?
Subscribers,
And it is
definitely.
win for them as well, so they are also getting good content. And
Mm, mm.
what I feel is, I wa- even Kud Venkat also says it in his channel. If you guys can go on, the best gift what you can give to anyone is education, right?
Education, definitely.
Yeah,
Educate
yeah,
them. Whatever the knowledge,
yeah.
we just
Share,
share with
share,
them
share
also.
with them. Okay. Once you educate them, once you make them to stand on their own feet, that gift stays with them for lifelong.
Mm.
So, so if I get a opportunity to share my knowledge and make them stand confidently in their work, or confidently in an interview, or confidently switching the jobs, or getting a job, or learning concept, then that is a big thing. I mean, God chosen me to do this activity. I feel very blessed actually. I feel very happy for
Mm.
it actually. Yeah.
Mhm. Yes, definitely.
Yeah.
Actually, I also feeling like that because that is the
Mm,
reason I
mm,
think you are the right person, the vision board or any other community will inspire
mm,
because these person,
mm,
maybe we can see only success stories, but there are a
mm,
lot of people are there depressed in their current lifestyle on road. But
mm,
we can recover, we can out of that, we can break the chain and out of that situation and explore, right? So in your
mm,
whatever happened in the you just started as a for tutor. You just aim as a tutor and
mm,
aim for the 5,000K. But what
mm,
happened? You will get a man company like Microsoft call you
mm,
watching your
mm,
video. So that is the
mm,
another opportunity, like a universe
mm.
left with you.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's all
Yeah.
many things happened. So when many people said, why you are doing it? So initially, right, whenever you start anything,
Uh, uh,
the stages are this. I'm telling with my basic little experience only. Don't take me as a philosopher or something here. Usually, whenever you start any new thing, initially people will say, they will tease you, or they will say comedy about it. Okay, what you are doing? Hey, what is this girl is doing? She is posting
Definitely.
this, that. They will gossip. Okay.
Mm,
Slowly, if you maintain that consistency and you ignore them, go ahead with your own path, the same people will start thinking, what this girl
yes.
is doing actually. Initially they tease, then they start think. Slowly,
Mm,
once you cross the threshold, they will start
mm,
admiring you. Okay, see,
uh,
and they will take you as example. See, man, Devi, where she started and where she went, right?
mm,
So the same person, the same mind, when teased, then when you continue the same journey, they start think, and then when you become successful, they will feel jealous also for limited period of time, but they will come to a point that jealous won't work. Already they
Mm.
went so ahead. So they will
Mm.
start praise you and they will start admire you. So
Mm.
anything you start in your life, don't think what others are thinking. You like it, then
Mm.
go for it. Start doing it. Let's time answer everyone. You don't
Definitely.
think about answering people. Okay.
Mhm. I
Yeah.
know, Mahak, this is the real
Mm,
story in your case
mm,
also. I'm just inspiring
mm,
from you
mm,
also. So the
mm,
same story, because initially maybe there are a lot of people will unmotivate us, right? Demotivate us. But
yeah.
gradually when you're moving ahead, they will think like that, why it is happened.
Mm,
Then after
mm,
that they will admire us. Oh, this is
mm,
kind of thing is a good kind.
mm,
But I think like I believe every time when you give
mm,
something to the universe, they will
mm,
definitely, because we need to love our community,
yeah.
trust, make a trust to other, and
Mm,
so that will be a longer path to everyone, and always
mm,
sharing the good content, whatever
mm,
the benefit for them, that will help you to everywhere, like education
mm,
and
mm,
their
mm,
health, their financial freedom, and their
mm,
life changing hacks. These are the things also
mm.
will definitely help them, right?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Mm,
Definitely. Yes,
mm.
yes.
Okay, and one more
So,
question.
yeah.
Actually,
Mm,
for
mm,
pressure, how we can, is an Ashwar is considering us, some people are considering it is very difficult. How you feel? Any pressure or experience, whoever different field can jump into the Ashwar, right? For I share,
mm,
it is easy, but maybe
mm,
you can share also your experience. This will helpful for
mm.
community.
Yes, yes. Actually, it is easy. Okay. And not only Azure, anything is easy only. Okay.
Mm,
But the only question comes, what person you found, or what channel you found, or what course you found, or what article documentation you found.
mm.
So it is very important the tool you are using to explore the technology. Uh,
Okay.
the article you are using, the channel, the video you are using, or the person you are using to explore the technology. If that tool is able to give a clear idea in a crisp manner with a simple examples, then at the end of the day, once you know the concept, you feel it is very easy. Oh,
Mm,
it is very easy, it is very good, and you feel interesting too. If
mm,
you are reading some article or you are watching some video where you feel it is very difficult to understand, I'm not able to grasp the things. So if you are feeling that much of difficulty, then don't think the technology is difficult. It's the tutor or the documentation is difficult. Okay. So
difficult.
it's not
Yeah.
that your mind is weak. It's actually the opposite person or opposite article or opposite documentation is weak. So it was
Mm,
not able to explain you well. So never uh, people do this. Okay, they will, whenever they want to explore something, they just open some documentation or some video, and
yeah,
they
it is
tell
very
for.
difficult, right? It is very
Mm-hmm.
difficult when you go a documentation and all.
Yeah. So immediately they will feel maybe I'm not capable enough to understand this. Maybe this technology is very tough. Oh God,
Yes.
whether I can proceed this further or not. Let's stop something. So actually, don't blame yourself here. Actually, you can freely blame the documentation or the video. You have that liberty to blame it because this video is not helping me, or this documentation is not helping me. That means something is wrong in the documentation. It was not well framed, or it was not able to make you feel understanding in a well way.
Mm.
So everything is easy. Search, continue your search to find a good video, to find a good documentation, or to find a good tutor. Once you found it, everything is easy. So don't worry. So, but baseline is everything is easy until you know it. When you don't know
Mm.
it, you definitely feel difficulty. It is same for everyone. When I don't know, even I feel difficulty. Once I know, I feel okay. It is very easy. It's the same thing. So everything is easy at the same time. Everything is tough. Only difference is whether we know it or not.
Mm. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
really good actually. Mahira, and one more
Mm,
question I got from the community. So, for example, you are from the HCL, right? Previously, you worked in the
mm,
HCL.
mm,
Then you moved into the like Microsoft. How
mm.
was you crack? How you crack the interviews and all?
I
It
was
is
in TC.
difficulty.
Yeah. I was in TCS actually.
Mm.
Then I moved to HCL after 5, 6 years. Then I
Oh.
moved to, within a short span, I moved to Microsoft actually.
Mm.
This Microsoft move is not something I initiated. It was luckily happened in my case because of YouTube actually. The team which
Uh,
I work, they used to watch my videos, and there is a need of similar person in their team as well. So
Mhm.
luckily time works for me. So they reached me and I grabbed that opportunity and I gave the interviews. Interviews,
Mhm.
I feel it was not that difficult for me. Okay, because
Mhm.
at that time I was all see I know everything in the data factory and almost not everything I can say. Almost I know most of the things and I was able to explore the same time. So I have everything in my mind roaming all the time. So I feel I didn't feel that difficult the interview is. It was medium only. But yeah, so it all depends upon our preparation, right? Sometimes if you don't prepare well, you feel difficult. Oh God, so difficult
Mhm.
questions he asked or she asked. So
Mhm.
luckily I was well prepared that time because of YouTube and because of my work. So I felt it is okay, not easy, not tough, medium,
Mhm.
and luckily I got it actually. So again, thanks to
Yeah.
subscribers directly or indirectly because they liked the content. So that's the reason it got a reach there, and that's the reason they see me and they hired me. Yeah.
Definitely, because you shared your knowledge as a free helping people mentality. The universe
Yeah.
also find me in the right position. These are the position you need to stay. And Mahil, these are the position you need to share your knowledge with the people, right? So I
Yeah.
think your financial crisis all ended. You are happily
Hmm.
living. These kind of things only happen due to that struggle in 2 years or 3 years back. But right
Hmm.
now you are really happy with. I know you are really happy with the situation and all, and this
Hmm.
is the, I think this story is definitely inspiring. That is the reason I'm personally reaching Mahir. Can you give a podcast to the Vision Board
Hmm.
community? So when
Hmm.
I'm telling to Mahir, he's okay. Yeah, he's saying, Devi, you can take whatever the time you want, you can take it. I'm really
Hmm.
happy because no one, these maybe if the people are influencer or who are working in Mang or Google, there is a very less chance they are responding. But
Hmm.
definitely you give this opportunity to me. I'm really thank you. I'm and my vision board means every
Hmm.
like an Azure data engineer community in there will
Hmm.
inspire this story. And every
Hmm.
success
Hmm.
there is
Hmm.
some struggle.
Yeah, yeah. No, actually, I feel blessed. I feel lucky that you reached me and asked me. So it's not that you are feeling no, nothing. I have actually I'm waiting. Call me at least someone call me and show me on video. So because I am not doing my videos with face, right? So I'm
Ah,
selfish, like I'm appearing. So actually, thanks to you, I want to add one point here. Like Devi's story also actually true inspiring story actually. I seen her 2 3 years before actually she pinged me or once I pinged her from the LinkedIn by
I
seeing
pinged you, Maher.
yeah,
I
you pinged me
pinged
I
you.
don't know okay
Yeah. Ah,
so there was some YouTube channels with cooking videos or lifestyle videos I don't remember exactly I pinged and
yes,
just had
same
a
thing.
small conversation I think at that time Devi was not running all this okay if I'm not wrong but
Yeah,
now
yeah,
after
yeah.
2 years
Exactly.
when I see she has so many things behind the scenes actually I know yesterday I had a conversation with her. Her story is very actually I am feeling like I should learn so many things from Devi actually. I definitely want to continue the connection with you over the years. Let's uh, help each other. You know
Yeah,
many
thanks,
things. You have
Maher.
seen many things. You are managing team behind the scenes. You are managing your work. You are managing community. You are managing being a girl at this young age of time doing it. It's not a small thing. In front of you, I'm nothing, to be frank. If I am you, definitely I cannot do all this. I cannot imagine also. So it's a great journey she was going through, and she's well inspiring so many people. She is doing donations. She is very kind-hearted. She is a very good person, and her story is inspiring. We all should learn from her how to manage the life, how to manage the time, how to be active, how to be helping the people, how to helping community. So it's a great journey. Actually, I feel blessed that I am doing a podcast with you. It's not my podcast, it's her podcast. Thank you.
I'm also thank you,
Yeah.
Maha, because
Yeah.
some you also tell me like some maybe people know I also face the same situation, but every time we need to request some kind of motivation, some kind of smile, because when I
Mm,
also face these kind of issue, I think like that my words can inspire others. So that is the reason I think like why
mm,
I can start at my vision board
mm,
community. But when I
Mm,
started the vision board community, there are almost 2,000 members inside my WhatsApp group, almost more than. And the
mm,
LinkedIn, there is a 20,000, because sometimes they knowingly, unknowingly, the initial stage, they don't know. But I'm just started as a consistency. I'm always suggesting to everyone, read the books and all. That books will inspire you. Maybe some kind of struggle
mm,
we can manage with doing multiple things, manage our
mm,
time. And you can see, Mahir, you can also get a fan base,
mm,
right? The same thing.
mm,
I also, when I started my journey, the people are telling me, Devi, you are sharing some of the wonderful videos and information that helped me to get the job. So these
mm.
kind of words definitely we motivate, right? These kind of
Yeah,
small
yeah,
words you can also know.
yeah, yeah.
So that is
Definitely, definitely. Yeah. It's a
that
great
is
job,
the
great
main reason.
journey, Devi. Actually, you are true inspirer. You are true fighter. You are true inspiring person. Actually, I got inspiration, lot of inspiration. From tomorrow, I will be so hardworking. I becoming comfortable nowadays. So from tomorrow, I will be very. I will also plan well, execute well. I will at least
I'm
try to
also
follow 20% of
I'm
you.
also I'm also following you also, because you are waking up. These kind of stories everywhere, every
Mm,
community it will happen, right? But I
mm,
think building network and trusting each other and means collaboration. These kind of is a building community, like unbreakable community. And Mahir
mm,
is unique, Devi is unique. Both are different personality, but
mm,
something they are providing to the community, they like it. The
mm,
audience is
mm.
like it. That is the
Yeah,
main thing.
yeah.
Yeah,
And
I
everyone
think
is unique actually, and everyone is going through their journeys. So I just
yes,
want to advise only thing, continue as Devi said, keep the consistency, don't wait for results. Automatically things will fall. You just continue with the same consistency. You see the results maybe in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, but result will definitely come.
definitely. Yes.
Yeah,
Okay. Yeah.
yeah,
Really, really thanks, Mahir. Thanks for
yeah.
sharing with this much of time. I know you are a very busy person, but this much of time you dedicated for the Vision Board community.
No,
Really
no
happy with
problem.
this.
I'm happy. Actually, I'm feeling very soon it is ending. Actually, nothing like that. It's my pleasure that I was able to give time to you guys. Actually, I loved it. Anytime you guys can reach me. At least you can reach me at any time. Definitely, I'm there. If I can do anything,
Yeah.
definitely I'm there.
Sure, sure, sure. So
Yeah,
thank you so much, guys. So
yeah,
next week we can give another podcast and all. So bye.